Alright, my name is Tevi Adankwa Samuel. We are going to look at exponential equation. So, in case we are given, let's say, a to the power t equals a to the power 5. Alright, so this one, what it means is that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we have a here, a there. It means this one go to this. Alright, so always have to make sure the bases are the same before you can deal with the exponents. Alright, so this one t is straight away 5. Alright, so in case you're also given this one, e to the power x go to e to the power 1. So this one we have 2 here, 2 there, so we can conclude that s is equal to 1. So this one, s is straight away 1. So equation of this nature are called exponential equation. Alright, so let's try the following examples. Alright, so you can pause the video, then try the following questions out. After that, move on. Alright, now the first one we have 2 to the power x equal to 8. So we have to solve for x. Alright, now we have 2 to the power x here, but this one is 8. And per what we've learned, but we have to make sure the bases are the same. But this one is 2, this one is 8. So we have no option but to change this 8 to 2 to the power a number that will give us 8. I'm saying this is a number that will give us 8 because this side is 2. So this one is supposed to be what? 2. Alright. So we know that 8 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to 4, 4 to 8. So 2 multiplying itself 3 times gives 8. Alright. So this one is straight away 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 3. Alright, so this one is 8, this one is also 8 because 2 to the power 3 is the same as this one. So now that we have equal bases, I can conclude that s is straight away 3. Alright, so x equals 3 for this one. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. Now this one I have 1 over 9 all to the power 2 minus y. 2 minus y equals to 1. Alright, so I'll first see this one. We know from the lesson 1 we said in case we're given, let's say, 1 over n is the same as n to the power minus 1. Alright, so in case we're given 1 over n is the same as this one. So we are going to change this one in the form of this one. So let's move on. So this one, I'll take this one, now we say 9 to the power minus 1. Then my 2 minus y will come equals to, now this one, we also learned from the first lesson that any non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. So now that we have here to be 9, why don't we write this 1, let's say 9 to the power 0, so that it's equal to this one. Because any non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. So I can say 9 to the power 0, which is 1. So they are the same. I'm using 9 because I want to get equal bases. Alright, that's why I'm using 9. So with this one, I can deal with the exponent. So minus 1 times 2, I'll get minus 2. So 9 minus 2. Then minus 1 times minus y, I'll get plus y equals to 9 to the power 0. Alright, so I have equal bases, so I can equate the exponents. So this one is the same as, so let me solve it here. This one is the same as minus 2 plus y. So this one equals to 0. So this one equals to this. Alright. So y is set away. Y is set away 2. Alright. So I have y to be 2. This one is a basic equation which I think everybody can solve, right? So by making y the subject, y will stand there and send this one to the other side. Or you can add the opposite to both sides so that this side will go. Alright. So that's that. Alright, so let's move on to the third example. Now the third example is not difficult. Alright. Now let's check something here. I have 1 over 4 all to the power 1 minus x equals 2 root 2. Alright. Now don't forget that we said in case you have, let's say, a to the power half, the same as square root of a. We said that. So we are going to change this one. Alright. Don't forget this one is 2 times this. So I can say 1 over 4. And since this side is 2, you have no option but change this one also 2 to the power 2, which is 4. So this one is straight away 1 over 2 to the power 2. Okay, 1 minus x equals, so this one is 2 times 2 to the power half, because square root of 2 is same as 2 to the power half. Alright, so this one can also be written as 2 to the power minus 2. Yeah, I said this one in the second example. I made mention of this. So 1 minus x. The reason why this one became this, I said that because, so this one is 1. Check from the first lesson. We said any non-zero number to the power 1 is that number. Right. So 1 times 2 to the power half. Alright. So I have this one. Alright. So I have, so let me expand the exponent. So minus 2 plus 2x equals, so law of indices multiplication, we add the exponents. So 2, 1 plus half. Okay, I have that. Alright. So 1 plus half is 3 over 2. So this one, I can equate this one to this. So this one is the same as minus 2 plus 2x equals, so 1 plus half. Okay. Right, I have this. So I have minus 2 plus 2x. So we have 3 over 2. So let me send the minus 2 to the other side. So 2x equals 3 over 2 plus 2. Alright. So 2x. So let me find this one. So I'll get 2. LCM will be 2. 2 into 2 is 1 times 3. So 1 into 2 is 2. 4. So I have 7 over 2 for this side. Alright. So this one is same as x equals to 7 over 2 all over 2. Alright. So this one is a basic equation. So this one is 7 over 2 over 2. Now in case you are given this one, in case you are given a over b all over c, is the same as a over bc. So this one x is straight away 7 over 4. Or you can use calculator to check that. Alright. For example, so this one is the same as 25 over 100. Because 25 over 100 is the same as 0.25. So this one can be written like this. Alright. So let's do cancellation. 25 here 1 into 100 is 4. So I have 8 to the power y equals 1 over 4. Alright. So let's change this one. So this one is the same as 2 to the power 3 y equals this one also 1 over 2 to the power 2. Alright. So this one is the same as 2 to the power y equals this one is the same as 2 to the power minus 2. Alright. So I have that. So this one is the same as 3y equals to minus 2. Therefore, y will give you minus 2 over 3. So you divide each side by 3 and you get this one. Alright, so it's not difficult. Now the fifth one, we have 100 to the power x equals 0.0001. Alright, so I have this one, 100 to the power x equals. So this one is the same as, so I'll write my 1 over. So where the point is, I'll put 1 there, then count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll make 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So this one is the same as that. Now, so this one is the same as 100 to the power x. So this one is the same as 1 over 100 to the power 2. So 100 to the power 2 is the same as this 10,000. Alright. So straight away I can say 100 to the power x equals 100 to the power minus 2. So we have copies, so x is straight away minus 2. Alright. So this one we have is equal. Right. So very simple. Right. So let's move on to the last one, the sixth one. Okay. Now 9 to the power 2x plus 1 equals 81 exponent x minus 2 all over 3 to the power x. Alright. So we have 3 here. So let's change this one to 3 to the power a number that will give us 9. Then same as 81. Now we know that 3 to the power 2 will give you 9. So this one 3 to the power 2 is 9. So I'll add 2x plus 1 equals. So this one is 81. Now 81 is 3 to the power 4. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 to 9, 9 to 27, 27 times 3. So 3 to the power 4. So I'll add x minus 2. Alright, so this one is giving us 3 to the power 4. That is 81. And don't forget we have x minus 2 there. That one is here. Over 3 to the power x. Alright. So this one is division. Alright, so this one is the same as. So let me expand this one. 3, 4x plus 2 equals. So this one is division. 3 to the power. Let me expand the top. 4x minus 8 divided by 3 to the power x. Have we seen that? Because this one is division and this one is division, yeah, the same. So the law says in division, we subtract. We have equal ways, so we can subtract. Alright. So this one is same as 3 to the power 4x plus 2 equals 3 to the power 4x minus 8 minus x. Alright, so I have this. Equate the exponents. So I have 4x plus 2 equals 4x minus 8 minus x. Alright. So I have 4x here, 4x there. So this one will cancel this. Yeah. So I'm left with 2 here minus 8 minus x. So let me send this one. So let me send the minus x here to positive. And then let me maintain the minus 8 and then bring the minus 2. Bring the positive to make minus 2. So x is away minus 10. So the answer for this one, the S is minus 10 for this question. Alright. Now, they can also give you the y in the form of quadratic equation and others to simultaneous equation. Alright, so let's try this one. So at times the question may be given in the form of quadratic equation, right? So you can check out my videos. I've taught how to learn quadratic equation with ease, don't face any problem. You can check out my video. So I have a video on quadratic equation which you can learn how to solve quadratic equation. Alright, so let's move on with this. Now I have 2 to the power 2x minus 9 times 2 to the power x plus 20 equals to 0. Now I have 2 to the power x here, and this one I have 2 to the power 2x. So let me teach you something here. So I have 2 to the power x here. So let me write this one. So let me write this one as this. So 2 to the power x all to the power 2. Because x times 2, you get this one. So I've changed nothing. Alright. So minus 9 2 to the power x plus 20 equals to 0. Now what can you see here? We have 2 to the power x here, 2 to the power x there. So in order to make this one simple, we have to remove the 2 to the power x by letting a variable be that. So let 2 to the power x be a variable. So let y be 2 to the power x. Which means where you see 2 to the power x, you put y there. So I'll put y here. So I'll put y here. Don't forget I have power there. So I'll add that one. Minus here is 9. And this one is y plus 20 equals to 0. Alright. So this one is a quadratic equation. Alright, so yes, I said you can check this one out, how to solve quadratic equation from my videos. Alright. Now the coefficient here is 1. Always make sure you multiply what you have here by the constant. So that's the first step if you want to solve quadratic equation using factorization method. Alright, so here is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Alright, now after that you find two numbers. When you multiply, you get this 20, but when you add, give you minus 9. So what are the factors? So 5 times 4 is 20, but 5 plus 4 is 9. But here is minus 9. So I'll negate 5 and then 4. So that minus 5 times minus 4, I'll get equals to 20. But minus 5 plus minus 4, I'll get minus 9. So I'm going to replace this one like this. So straight away I'll say y squared. So I'll take the first one minus y, then I'll add the y. So then minus 4y. So this one will give us minus 9y. So I'll take nothing. Plus 20 is equal to 0. Alright. So I can factorize y out here. So y out. I'll be left with y minus 5. Alright. So I have y minus 5 here. So this one, let me take minus 4 out. If you take minus 4 out, you will be left with y minus 5 equal to 0. Now here is minus. Why? Because if you multiply this one by this, you get minus 4y. So minus 4 times minus 5 get plus 20. So you are correct. Okay? Even though here is plus. But if we remove the bracket, you still get plus. So I'll change nothing to the question. So I have this one in common. So I'll pick only one. I'll pick one, y minus 5. Then the coefficients y minus 4 equals to 0. Alright, so let's solve this one. This one equal to 0, y minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 5. And also, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, y 4. Alright, so we said let y be this. We are after x, not y. So let's move on. So we said let y be this one. And we have y to be 5 and y to be 4. So 2 to the power x equals 4. Let's use 4. Alright, so this one becomes basic equation. So we are going to change this one. 2 to the power x is the same as 2 to the power 2. Alright, so s is straight away 2. Alright, now let's move on. So 2 to the power x equals 5. Now this one, we have to apply logarithm, which we've not done yet, which will be in our next lesson. So in our next lesson, we are going to teach how to solve equation of this. So equation of this nature, the way we can change this one, we have to apply logarithm on both sides. So that will be our next lesson. Alright, so let's keep this one for our next lesson. Alright, so but this one, since we can express this one, we are getting the same basis. That one, then we know how to do that, so we don't have to go that. Alright, so let's move on to that. So this one, the answer, one answer is 2. Alright, so x equals 2. Alright, so that is that. So let's move on. This is our last example. Alright, so this one is the exponential equation. So this one, it involves simultaneous equation. You have to apply simultaneous equation. So we are going to solve for x and y. So I have x plus 6y equals 3. So this is our last example. So x plus 6y. So this one, you won't touch anything because this one is x plus 6. You can't change anything. You don't have this. So this one is away x plus 6y equals 3. So this one equation 1. So we don't have problem with the first one. So that one set. Now the second one is where the problem lies. So I have 2 here, I have 1 over 4 here. So this one is the same as 2 to the power. So this one is the same as 2 to the power. So let me do it here. 2 to the power x plus y. Because so this one is the same as 1 over 2 to the power 2. Which is the same as 2 to the power minus 2. This one is the same as 1 over 2 to the power 2, which is the same as 2 to the power minus 2. So I can say 2 to the power minus 2. Alright, so I have equal basis. So I can say x plus y equals to minus 2. So that one will be the next equation. Alright, so this one is simultaneous equation. So you can use any of the methods. Alright. So let's move on. I have equation 1, which is x plus 6y equals to 3. Then x plus y equals to minus 2. Alright. So let me use a elimination method. Let me eliminate one of the variables. So I have 3 here minus 2 here. So this one is bigger than this. So I'll subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So let me do that. So x minus x plus 6y minus y. Okay. Then equal sign 3 minus 2. Alright. So we are subtracting this one from this. So this one from this one from that, this one from this. Because we have one of the variables common in both equations, so it's easier to use elimination method. Alright, so x minus x is 0, 6y minus y, get 5y. So 3 minus 2, so this one will plus, so 3 plus 2 is 5. So y is straight away 1. Alright. Now that we have one of the variable, we can use any of the equation to solve for other variable. So let me use the second equation, which is x plus y equals minus 2. So I'll go back to the second equation, and where I see y, I'll put 1 there because y equal to 1. So x plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 minus 1. So x is straight away minus 3. Alright. So I have x minus 3, y to be positive 1. So let's check from here. X is minus 3, y is 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Correct. So that's all. Alright. Yeah.